Are you ready, kids? I can't hear you. Oh, who likes to griddle under the sea? It's me. It's Ernest T. Welcome back. Thanks for watching. That's a wrap. We're done. No. We're getting started. And we're going to do some cooking. We are going with kielbasa and cabbage. And the cabbage will probably be like the last thing I put on. Got this turned up to medium. I've sliced some corn on the cob. And we diced up some taters and stuck them in the Amaro. I love my Amaro cooker. It slices, it dices, it air fries, pressure cooks, it does sous vide. Did I say that right? Sous vide? Sous vide? I don't know, whatever it's called. I do it. I do it to it. So, corn and taters. My extra super duper. The corn's got the string on it. I tried to clean it, but maybe it'll burn off. So, my super duper seasoning. And taters and corn. Of course, they take a little extra time. Little extra time. Maybe I should turn it down just a little. I think you can probably hear our friend Fred in the background greeting someone with warnings and threats. Don't mess with your chihuahuas, they'll mess you up. Okay, so we got that going. And taters doing well. Corn is cooking. Hey, Baja. What you doing? Where's your ball? Oh, she's excited. It must be somebody good visiting. Okay. So, that's going good. I got some. I cheated. I like to cheat. Grandma always told me, it doesn't matter if you win or lose, it's how well you cheat. Love that lady. So, we got cabbage. Cabbage and carrots. And since we're dumping stuff, let's add some onion. Onion. Good for your breath, good for your heart, good for something, good for flavor. And sweet carrot slaw with carrots. Phew! Oh, wow. I don't know what that was. Sweet carrot slaw with carrots, broccoli, and red cabbage. Maybe. Yeah, why not? What do you think, Baja? You're looking for scraps, huh? Where's your ball? Where's your buddy? Oh, hi, Fred. How are you? Are you looking for scraps, too? His nose knows. Anytime I cook, Fred is here. Right, Fred? Okay. We need butter. Can't have cabbage without butter. What's wrong with you people? So, we'll use our spatula. Hey! Somebody's getting jealous of somebody else down there. Okay, half a stick of butter. Just because. Because. Magical Wizard of Oz. Right, Fred. We're off to see the wizard. Okay, we got some stuff going on. So, add some kielbasa that I already sliced up. And some garlic I bought already minced up. And remember, there's no such thing as too much garlic. That's the rule. Right, puppies? Yeah, you can't have garlic. It's bad for puppies. Don't give your dog garlic. Okay. Let's do some stirring and mixing and moving to the groovy. Just when it hit me, somebody turned around and said, "You're burning your food." Is that too much music in one episode? Too bad. You get what you pay for. Tasting good off my finger. Maybe it's just my finger. Yeah, that's my finger. Tasty finger. So we got some chives, which I've been using very much lately. What do you think, puppy? Ah, now the bees are coming out. And let's toss on some Mrs. Dash. A little extra Mrs. Dash. Go away, bud. A year or so ago, or 2 or 3 or 5, someone brought in a beehive to pollinate their avocado grows. There's a lot of avocado growing up here in the hills, and bees are a great pollinator for your crops, by the way. But they didn't take them all with them when they left. And now we have bees visiting like this time of year. So, how's it going? Come here often? What's your sign? Oh, excuse me. Boogie, oogie, oogie, get down. Boogie, oogie, oogie. Fred, have you found what you're looking for? Silly puppies. Oh, we're starting to get griddle marks. Looking good. So, ooh, the sun's setting. Look at that, the sun's setting. Oh, so romantic. Fred, you want to say hi? Fred? Okay. Want to say hi? Speak. No, he spoke last time we did this. He just wants his food. Spoiled. Did Baja leave us? Baja left us, huh? Good boy. Baja never leaves me. Someone must be willing to throw a tennis ball. But they don't have food on the griddle. That's why Fred's still here. So, we started just in time. Ish. Actually, half an hour earlier would have been a better time. But we had one of them there Zoom meetings. That's where you get on the computer and everyone looks like they're appearing on the Brady Bunch. And people forget to turn off their microphone or make too much noise, so everyone has to get muted. I was hoping Fred would come and show up for an appearance on the Zoom, but there wasn't any griddling going on. I have to admit, Fred makes a great watchdog considering this isn't his house. Huh? Yeah. You're a good watchdog. In fact, he's been known to bark at his own family. And he doesn't really bark at me anymore, so I hope they don't get jealous. What do you think, Fred? What do you think? You're cute for a little Chihuahua, huh? Okay. In the waning lights. Most of it's done. Just trying to get the char on the kielbasa, because my Liberty assistant loves the char on the kielbasa more than most of the stuff. Actually, the char on all of it's good, but yeah, it is. Getting your meat charred is a special experience. And keep your minds out of the gutter. So, before we lose all of our light, stream close up. What do you think? Colorful? Smells good? Everyone turn on your smell-o-vision. Yeah, I think that's looking good. Like I said, just a minute more for the make sure we got some char on our kielbasa. Great thing about cabbage is it picks up the flavors of everything around it. So we got kielbasa, we got taters, we got carrots, we got onion, we got garlic, we've got corn, taters, butter, seasonings, all that good stuff. So yeah, I think think we may be onto a winner. What do you think, Red? Okay. That's pretty much it, y'all. Like I said, we're losing daylight, so I think we'll just call it a day here. What do you say? So that's... Oh, there's Baja. Baja, what do you got to say? Fred? Good girl. Okay. Thanks for watching, y'all. And that's a wrap.